In my game The Last Phoenix, you would venture down through a randomly generated cavern. I don't randomly generate every tile. Instead, I have sections, and these sections are handcrafted to be fun and have cool things to do in them. However, within a section, a lot of the stuff is random, like enemy spawns, items, and coins. The whole level doesn't actually exist. I spawn these sections as you descend. Something cool is that it also gets darker the deeper you go. It's pretty cool to see a whole level get generated. I made these handcrafted sections, and I did this just to make sure that the experience is kind of more fun. I have a little bit more control over this. Like, for example, I can make a gem grab mini game and it actually works. However, even though it's the same sections in the same order because I'm using a seed key to generate the level, there's still variety within it even if you replay the same level, because some of the monsters and dirt blocks and items and coins actually use randomness to them without a seed. So replaying it doesn't give you exactly the same stuff within the same section. So if you and your friend play the same level, you're gonna get the same level generated, but within the level, the enemies, the coins, and stuff like that might be a little bit different. The cool thing about The Last Phoenix though, is that when you beat the game, you can replay the whole game again, and now new sections have been unlocked, and all the levels get regenerated, and there's gonna be new items and new dialogue. So the game has a lot of replayability. It's almost like RPG roguelite. Like once you beat the game, it like remakes itself. It's pretty cool. I hope you appreciate it. It's the last day of Kickstarter. I really hope you support or at least show your friend. And if you're seeing this too late, there's a free demo on Steam, and I hope you wish this the game. A devlog.